We have introduced the new garment return or reprocess report for workshops. This detailed report provides clear insights into the garments that were returned or reprocessed, including the exact stage and the reason that they were returned for. This feature enables better tracking and analysis and the resolution for the issues. As you can see on the dashboard, in the other section, you can go to the garment reprocess or reject report. You will be able to see all the garments that were rejected or sent to the previous stage. You can see what were the remarks. As you can see here, it was a color bled or a sorting error. You can also see and filter as per the user or for a specific store. You can also choose the garment stage that they were returned for. We also have a date filter here where you can choose any particular day or any filter that you want to put, like for a particular date range. That can also be done. You can also search it by the order. We also have the option to export it to Excel for your reference. I hope this feature will improve your workflow and efficiency for the quality control. Thank you.